Healthcare providers and foster parents say proposed reductions in state Medicaid services will harm the most vulnerable Montanans.
MTN's Jonathan Abarian has more on the concerns that they're raising.
Dozens of people came to Helena Thursday to register their opposition to the Department of Public Health and Human Services' proposed changes to Medicaid rules. Agency leaders say they have to make these changes after lawmakers cut DPHHS funding by $49 million to help close a state budget gap.
These are not funding reductions that any of us want to make.
Opponents of the rule changes say they would make it much harder for many Montanans to get the health care they need.
The proposed rules as written effectively eviscerate these critical services that help struggling families and often are key to keeping families together.
The new rules would limit the number of children eligible for targeted case management. They would also reduce state payments to care providers, like those that assist foster families.
If they weren't providing those services, then families such as mine would have to go to the state to get the same services or not receive those services at all.
Another proposed change is ending Medicaid coverage for certain dental services, like crowns and dentures. Health providers say those services are especially important for the people who receive Medicaid.
You don't need subsidized dentures unless you've had a bunch of life circumstances go terribly wrong.
DPHHS will continue taking public comments online and by mail through the 9th. Jonathan Abarian, MTN News, Helena.